Yeah, forever. It's been like 4 years maybe since I graduated high school. Ugh. How am I gonna do this? Why are the mushroom are the mushrooms glowing? I think the mushrooms give off their own light. Yeah. Oh God, that would have been bad. Yeah, Rainy's all about the mushrooms. Yeah, they give off their own light. Oh my God, Brimey, Brimmy. I'm just very confused because I've never seen this. Maybe it is, but then again, I have no idea. Like, if you follow down our original cave where we went, like on the right, just keep on going all the way down. Maybe, but then again, it might just be my texture pack. Like, let me get rid of this torch and invite all the mobs to come fight me. And then again, it's still pretty bright. It's still pretty bright. Well, not all of them. I just put one like into a cave. For... Ah, well, it's not that dark. I'm pretty sure you guys can still see. It's not like that one video I watched that was just like straight darkness for 30 minutes, interrupted by torches. Someone mining diamonds. Like, really? Like, you couldn't fix that in editing? Like, you couldn't make that brighter? Yes, thank you. Support assist. And just there should be a staircase up. You'll find it, and then you'll just follow the torches, follow where I've been. But for the moment, I'm gonna take a screenshot of the glowing mushrooms. There we go. And I'll send that to Rainy later. Yeah. That's my bad because I kept on falling. Like I said, I fell like 3 times. I couldn't find you though. Not down there. Did you find the staircase or no? I don't see your name tag. Did you go down or up? Aw. No. What are your coordinates? Okay. Oh, I'm going up. So I think you went somewhere else. Let me just give you my coordinates to the mushrooms. Let me get back to the mushrooms because I was coming to find you. Hey, spider! Hello, zombie. Hello. And it fell. Oh, another zombie. Can't see anything with coordinates on my screen. Hang on. Yeah, he's not likely to come up here. Hopefully. Okay. My coordinates are negative 386, 416. Positive 416. Where? Oh, I heard that. Oh no! Rainy has a problem with creepers. She runs at them. Like, I'm not even kidding. She runs at them. And then she dies. Just like that. Oh, I'm out of... Yes, skeleton. That's not how you deal with them. Oh my god, there's a ravine here! Oh god! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. Like, and we're literally not the best at Minecraft. I'm not the best at moving. So I was almost pushed into a very dark and scary ravine by a zombie. Because I was surprised that there was a ravine. But hey, we got it on camera. That's a place down there. Come on, Minecraft, stop it. I went down here. Right? Down here. I think I went down here. Oh my god! I'm lost! I don't know where to go anymore. Uh-oh. Okay, glowing mushrooms. No! I just went right back to the ravine. Oh my god. Well, I'm at a very sick looking ravine where a creeper just fell. Oh god. No. But this is a very big ravine, and I'd rather not get blown off again. I mean, we know how to get here, but still. And bats are idiots who run into lava. Like, you'd seriously think we'd be able to find a mine shaft here, but no, there's none. Oh, there's horses. There's horses, alright. And this creeper just wants me. Suck it. Hey, it died. Oh, that was the one that fell down from above. Am I gonna run out of torches? I hope not. Lots of lava. Must light up as I go. Ah, creeper! Die, creeper. Die. It's a good thing they can't traverse across gaps like we can't. Diamonds! Diamonds! I don't have a fortune pickaxe! Oh god. On took it. On has it on his person. Yes, and I don't... Oh, I have fortune 2 on this iron pickaxe. That should be good enough. But that means I have to go down into this ravine. I'm gonna die. Let's just do this. Yeah, that gets rid of most of the lava. Okay, Minecraft, you're gonna have to work with me. I know. I know. No creeper, no creeper. No whammy, no whammy. And you guys see I keep on shifting. That's because I don't want to fall. I'm not crazy. I found a spawner! I found a spawner in the ravine! I'm looking. I think it's might be a zombie spawner. Maybe? Yeah, I think it's a zombie spawner. Oh, that's just nutty. I think the only time I ever found a spawner in my single player world was you having problems there. Yeah, it's a zombie spawner. What level is this at? I think this is also on it's like level, I mean, we could very easily make a water elevator for this one too. I don't want to do that. Okay. You know what? We started this episode, or not this episode, but this session. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna do all the things. We're gonna work on the skeleton spawner. Oh, hey, zombie, don't. Oh, you can get me from there. Okay, I didn't know that. How about you just back off, dude? That was funny. But no, I want to see what's in the chest. Oh, phone, why you gotta be like that? Hang on, let me block myself in for a second. Figure out my phone. Figure out why it's being stupid. Bear with me for a sec, guys. I mean, I'd send this to On, but I don't. He has to kind of edit and upload his own videos to his channel. Right? And we gotta figure out how to edit on our own. And, like, I gave you the coordinates. Ah! I should have typed them in chat. Okay, let me just light it up. I just want to know what's a name tag. Okay, and a bucket. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ah, I'm gonna die. I have buckets. Oh my lord, have mercy. But now that I'm down here, I can get the diamonds. I think there's more diamonds. Is this more diamonds? That'd be so amazing if it was more diamonds. Oh my god. I think this is more diamonds. It is! It is more diamonds. Oh my god! Want to know how I know it's more diamonds? Because it's like right next to the other spot that I found. Holy Jesus. Oh, I hear a spider. My hope for hearing spider noises was that it was potentially going to be a mine shaft, but I was wrong. Right? But then again, we don't really need one. Okay, Minecraft, you're gonna need to stop. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to not. Sir, really? I'm kind of surprised that these zombies aren't doing that much damage, but then again, I did put Prot 1 on all of it. Okay, let me get out the Fortune 2 that has 70 durability left. Alright, get out, yeah. 70 durability, but let's use it to mine out normal. What? Ah, cave. Lava lake. Okay. Hello, spider. I see you wanted to join the party. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. That's a second spider. So either it just spawned or there's a spawner up there. One of the two. Ah. Water, why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? Yeah, we are strange, like. Okay, making sure that it's all good and free. Three. And I would have no room for it anyways. Okay. But I need to drop the spider eye, drop the string, drop that, drop the 4 extra redstone. This frickin' bat. Iron pickaxe with the Fortune 2. How many are we gonna get? 7. We got 7 diamonds from that. Okay, what about over here? Did I miss it? Did I? No, okay. Oops. May have killed a diamond. May have, because there was lava. I am not entirely sure. Hopefully it didn't go down one more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dig around this. Hopefully dig around it. Water, work with me. We don't have depth strider. See, this is why I level hoard. I hoard all the things that'll give me levels. Yeah, I don't think there was a diamond underneath that. Because we need depth strider, we need aquafini, respiration, yada yada. Water, I hate you. Okay, water. Like I said, we need depth strider, because this is annoying. So, I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure it's just a 4 spot. No, it could be bigger. Oh, and there's gold underneath it. Or behind it, I guess. Minecraft, can you not? Okay. Oh, but that is lava. Okay. So we got 7 from the 3. How many are we gonna get from the 4? Really, Minecraft? We got 4 from the 4. Rude. 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 Highly rude. And that is obsidian. We do not. There's a skeleton coming. Hello, Mr. Skeleton. Goodbye, Mr. Skeleton. And that was a one-hit kill because I'm assuming he dropped down from a great height. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was a 9 vein of iron. Oh, oh, hello, spider. Hello, spider. Hello, spider. That didn't even drop anything. Or maybe it did. Maybe it dropped a spider eye. Well, yep, there's lava there. I'm out. Anything else over here? Other than that cave? I hope I don't need any more torches, because that would be stupid. I don't even know where I'm at. Oh, no, it's not where I wanted to put it. Right there. Eh. And if this were my single player world, I'd go into creative and light up all that. But it's not. It's not my world, and I fell. Yep, I'm gonna need more torches. I have 9, not 9, but 7 left. Well, this is as good a place as any to die. It doesn't even go down. Oh, there it goes. It goes down. That's funny. Okay. Give me 1 second. Control Shift. Alright, so here we are. Skeleton spawner. We're going to build up to this point right here. This is the original skeleton spawner that we found, and the other skeleton spawner is somewhere down that way. And RainyBou is here finally, and she's possibly starving because she didn't bring food. Do you need food? Minecraft has made us very sarcastic.
They want you to take a picture of something.
Oh my god. Oh, hang on. My resuming button. It's Control Shift 8. Okay, so let's see. So many diamond pickaxes. Let me eat. So this is apparently the middle. So do we need to bring this wall in? 1? Because we're going to be going up. And then it's going to go that way. And then they're going to drop down somewhere over here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm not exactly an expert on this. Something about let's see. Let me just get rid of this so it's even. Nope, that's not it. No, not that way. What are you doing? Not from that high. Apparently it's just like one there, one there. No, not there. Not there. One there. And it will flow down. Let me go get more buckets of water. I need to make a infinite pool down here. Give me a quick second. So we can have many. Okay, put yours down first, and I'll put mine. Yes. Oh god. Okay, so we can't get it. Just get yours and I'll get mine. Well, I had 4 buckets on me, so it would all converge. Okay, we need. Put another one like right here. Maybe another one? A third one? I'll go get it. Well, I guess it's like even. Oh, now, oh, okay. So, yeah, this is like too big. Okay, so let me just. Excuse me. Let's not use my Fortune 2 pickaxe. And we're gonna go like that. Okay. So the diorite signifies where the middle is. I don't know if we need to like put the entire wall in. So there's just like one gap here instead of 2. Why? Why? Oh wait, that's right. There's supposed to be 2 on the